What's up, family? So just took a nice little walk to the grocery store, getting in that that non-exercise activity thermogenesis. And it's kind of hot out here. That ain't got nothing to do with what I'm talking about today though. I wanted to talk to you all about something serious. And this is about embracing the suck. Serious topic here. Embracing the suck. What do I mean by this? So, a lot of you all are starting a new journey or restarting a journey and trying to accomplish, some goals, maybe trying to reach an area of your life that you haven't reached yet, with your health, with your fitness, and trying to build your best body. And when you're trying to do that, especially for the first time, it's gonna suck. Now, I try to make it suck less. I try to, give you foods that you can incorporate that taste pretty good, not your normal diet foods, For those of you that still like to have, your wine or, your snacks, cookies and stuff, I'll show you how to incorporate those things so that it can suck less. But regardless, when you're trying to incorporate a new lifestyle, reaching your goals can really be difficult, especially on a day-to-day basis. Initially, it can be motivating, seeing the possibilities, the things that you can accomplish, understanding that you can change your body. But when it comes to real life application, doing the things that need to get done every single day to make progress towards that goal, and when you're not seeing, instant gratification, daily results, it can suck. On top of that, when you're dealing with other people, because most of us aren't just by ourselves, we got families, we got kids, spouses, some of us may take care of our families, some of us may be, looking out for family members and such. There's a lot of things that come into play on a day-to-day basis. What's up, man? And when you have those things, as good as they are, as much as we love our family, when we're trying to accomplish a goal and incorporate this new lifestyle into our current lifestyle, it's difficult, it's demanding, it's uncomfortable, and it causes us to overthink things. It causes us to become demotivated and want to quit. But you can't quit. You cannot quit. One of the things that really helped me when I was first starting my journey on building my best body and improving my health at the very beginning was something that I called, I don't even think I invented it. I don't think I came up with this. But it's called next play mode. Learn to get into next play mode all the time, every day. This is actually a concept that's popular with basketball players. I'm a huge NBA fan. And a lot of basketball players, like the best shooters, the best scorers, they incorporate this mindset. Let's say they're going through a slump and they're on offense, they're shooting jump shots, they're shooting a three, they come down and miss. Next play, they shoot a three, they come down and miss. Shoot a three, come down and miss. And they keep doing that, keep missing, they get cold. How do they get hot again? How do they get back into scoring? A lot of them talk about the next play mode. They call it something different, I think, but next play mentality or something like that. And basically that's when you're not letting that day-to-day distract you from, or not even day-to-day, but those misses distract you from the next shot, basically. You're not allowing that missed shot to affect the next shot, put it that way. I'm out here sweating like crazy. When you shoot a shot and you airball it, you shoot another shot, you hit the side of the rim. You shoot another shot, you hit the backboard. You don't let any of those previous shots affect the next shot. You change your mindset on it. It's a completely different play that happened the last time. Don't let it affect the next one. Take that same mentality when it comes to achieving your health and fitness goals. Let's say you start the day off, and for whatever reason, you're in a funk. And you start your day off with a slice of cake. Now you feel the whole day is ruined. You feel that you just ruined the whole diet for the full day. So as opposed to allowing that to ruin your whole day, as opposed to saying, oh, well, I messed up now, I might as well have some ice cream for lunch and, you know, like some, like potato chips for lunch or potato chips for dinner, whatever it may be. Don't allow that previous play to affect the next play. If you do wake up and you have a slice of cake, and it could be anything, I'm just using an example, but you do have that slice of cake for breakfast, get right into next play mode instantly. As soon as you have it, grab a bottle of water, down it. For your snack, have some mango, have some cantaloupe, you know, have a huge salad for lunch, lots of fresh veggies. Get into next play mode. Don't allow the previous play to affect the next play. So like I said, it's going to suck. It's going to be very difficult when you're trying to do something for the first time, even if it's not your first time. It's probably even more difficult when you're trying to do it for, you know, the 5th time, the 10th time, because you've already tried and you realize that it didn't work. It wasn't that it didn't work. Fat loss is possible. Gaining muscle is possible. You're just not applying the right strategies, the right mindset. We're humans. Our bodies can adapt based on the circumstances and the situations that it's placed on or placed under. So it's something that you're doing wrong. And when you come to grips with that and just realizing that it's going to suck, regardless, embrace the suck. Embrace that it's going to be difficult. But never, ever quit. Never give up. Don't allow yourself to give up. Because one of the other mindsets that really helped me was realizing that we have one life. One that we know of. Maybe we have more, who knows? But as far as that we can consciously control, we have one of them. Why wouldn't you want to reach your full potential during this one life? Why wouldn't you want to push yourself to see what your body can accomplish? What else are you going to do? Like, what else are you going to do when you quit? When you quit this diet? If you quit coaching? If you quit this program? What else are you going to do that's going to change your life? It's going to change your body. Maybe you found something else. That would be awesome. Because my whole thing is to teach you the skill sets, the behaviors, the patterns to maintain this full lifestyle for a lifetime. But not even just for my program, if anybody, if you quit doing whatever it is that you're trying to do to accomplish your goals, what else is left? Don't allow yourself to quit. Don't allow yourself to give up on yourself. You can fall off. You can take time, a day, 2 days, but get right back to it. If you need to, you know, have a couple of meals, you know, you feel a binge or something coming, you want to take a day to just eat what you want to eat, do it. But get back into the next play mode and embrace the suck. Don't allow those day-to-day situations, because life is difficult. Life is difficult as hell. Very difficult. Life can really suck. But it sucks more when life already sucks and then you're not applying yourself to reach your body goals. That really sucks. You got to go through life that already sucks without the body that you want. So now it sucks twice. Don't let life suck twice. All right? No, but seriously, this is just some thoughts that came to mind. I want you all to learn to embrace the suck, know that it's going to suck, but still go out and accomplish the things that you want. Still put forth the effort every single day. Rep after rep after rep, set after set. And I don't mean in the gym, but also in life on a daily basis. Put forth the work, know that it's going to suck, and still do it. If you got to cry, cry. You got to vent to somebody, do that too. But don't allow yourself to give up on yourself. Life sucks enough already. Get the dream body that you want. You deserve it, all right? Embrace the suck. Activate next play mode. And get to your goals. My God, I'm sweating like crazy. I'll talk to y'all later.